Hello, beautiful people. How are you? I hope all of you are feeling fine. This is Monowar Hossain Maim, and today I have come back with a brand new video. And today in this video, I'm going to give you an important tip which will help you to become more perfect, more fluent, more better in English, and that will help you to be a successful person in the future. Because the most successful person give this advice while they were giving interview, and lots of other successful people talk about or suggested this tip to become more fluent in English, more better in English, and become a successful person in the future. Okay, so can any of you guess the topic name? Well, the topic is journaling. Journaling is an effective tip to become more better in English, to become a successful person in the future. Why and what is journaling? Journaling is put your thoughts on paper. Okay, suppose you want to be a businessman in future, you want to be a trainer in the future, but why until you write down your thoughts on the paper every single day, the possibility of yours to be a businessman in the future is less than 50%. But when you start putting your thought on paper, when you start writing your dream on paper, then the possibility to become a businessman, to fulfill your dream, is more than 70%. Just imagine how powerful journaling is. And when you will use this journaling method to improve your language, then it will help you a lot. And the language learner also suggests this journaling method. So let me tell you first how you can use journaling to be a successful person. Okay, suppose you want to be a businessman, so your dream is to be a businessman. That's why, as I said, you have to do journaling. So what you can do, you can write down that I want to be a businessman. You can write down that thing in a big page, and you can hang that page in front of your door, or you can write down on the mirror of your washroom, so that you can see that I want to be a businessman when you go to washroom and try to brush your teeth, try to wash your face. Okay, so when you will write down your dream, your aim every single day, your brain will take it seriously and your brain will accept that as reality. Let me tell you how you can use journaling to improve your language. Suppose you learn 10 vocabularies today, or you write down lots of vocabularies on your notebook, but you can't use those vocabularies you in your daily conversation, but you know the meaning of those vocabularies, but still you can't use those vocabularies in your daily conversation. So here journaling will help you a lot. So what you can do now, you can do journaling before go to sleep, before go to bed, or go for sleep. You can write down your whole day experience, and when you are writing down, try to incorporate or try to add those vocabularies that you have learned for several days, or that you have noted down on your notebook. When you start writing down your daily life with those vocabularies, that will help you to use those vocabularies in your regular conversation, and that will help you to master English a lot, that will help you to improve your English a lot. So journaling is an effective tip. So try to do this journaling every single day, so that you can become more fluent, more better in English, and so that you can use several different words in your conversation. So I know lots of words, but I can't use those words in my conversation. Why? Because I don't use those words in my writing, in my regular conversation. So if I want to bring them or put them or add them in my regular conversation, then I have to make a lots of sentences with those vocabularies. So I think you have understood how you can add new vocabularies in your brain. Okay, you can add new vocabularies in your surface lexicon by using them in your writing or in your conversation. So now a question may rising in your head, and that is, where I will do journaling. Well, you can journaling on your notebook, you can buy a special notebook for journaling, or you can use social media, you can create a Facebook page to write down every single day's experience, or you can create blog post. But blog post is a little bit harder task, So you can write down on your notebook, or you can use social media or or Facebook page to write down your thoughts, your opinion, to do journaling. Okay, so in language learning journey, journaling will help you to master vocabularies and help you to become more fluent in English by using lots of vocabularies in your daily English conversation, because you are already doing journaling and you are already using lots of vocabularies, lots of different, lots of advanced vocabularies on your journaling. That's why you can easily use those advanced vocabulary in your conversation, because you have already used that words in your journaling. Okay, so I think you have understood how journaling works. Journaling works both in language learning and in self development. So that's all for today. I think I can make you understand in a better way. So if I have any mistake, please forgive me, and thanks for being a patient listener or viewers. And you have been a great audience today, you have been a great viewers today, if you are watching this video till now. So thank you, and bye bye, see you in the next video.